So right now the question is, all the time Ghanaians are blaming the government. We are telling the government these people are creative, the government should do something about it. What are we also doing as individuals? Yeah, welcome to youwithburnys right here on YouTube. My name is Burnys. You can call me Burnys and you can call me Ira as well. So today I was roaming about on TikTok. I was scouting TikTok and I came across a video. And in this video there was a little boy on, let's say, some sticks that have been put together to look like an excavator. And I was like, wow. If you look at the way the boy has assembled the sticks or the wood, and he's sitting on it and he's operating it like a normal excavator. He will just use the wood that has the, I know how they call it, what they use to scoop the sand or something. The thing can scoop the sand, come out and just pour it or dump it somewhere. I was amazed. I was perplexed. But then again, I asked myself, why? Like, what's happening? Because I watched the video and the person who was giving the commentary about the video was saying something, but I couldn't just hear whatever the guy was saying. All that I heard was the boy was a primary school student. He is in the Volta region, and he mentioned the name of the town the boy is coming from, but I didn't hear it very well. But if you look at the video had about 200 likes and no comments. And I was like, if not for anything, I know that maybe the person who posted the video might not be related to the boy in any way or something. But why can't Ghanaians just show love for what they see? I was indeed amazed, so I decided to scout social media everywhere to look for details about the boy, to look for details about whatever happened, how the boy started doing this. Because whenever I see creativity, whenever I see talent, I'm amazed. But unfortunately, I couldn't find any other news apart from the video I saw. The person who posted the video, the account name was is it Banga Best or something? Yeah, Banga Best. I want to say kudos to you. At least you gave it a try to expose the boy to the world. You really did. And at the end of the video, you could hear him pleading with people to make the video go viral. But it's rather unfortunate that I know.
As you can see in the video, this is a primary student from Politoji in the Volta region who has invented his own excavator that can be used manually. It's so amazing, so amazing. Just look at how he's operating it, so amazing. And I think this could be a future invention as well. Like, please let this video go viral. Please let it go viral. Please.
So right now the question is, all the time Ghanaians are blaming the government. We are telling the government these people are creative, the government should do something about it. What are we also doing as individuals? So people who own businesses, people who own companies can at least scout for these people. If not for those on social media, let's say there are people who are in your community who are really talented, they are very smart. You can just pick one or two to add to your team, because as far as I'm concerned, what I know is that if you are working and you have smart people amongst you, sometimes the work tends to become very easy and I don't know. So I'll plead with the general public, I'll plead with individuals, I'll plead with companies and the government as well. let's do something about these talents. It was in my scout to find more details about this boy that I came across another guy who they said he's in Takoradi Technical University, and that guy has also created or modeled an excavator, and it's so beautiful. I found the news on yannews.com, and it was a video that was posted by high school something, and it was so amazing that an excavator is being powered by water. The water is running through tubes, and it's able to power the excavator to scoop sand and dump it somewhere. There are no wires, there are no batteries, nothing. It's just being powered by the gears that he has created, and it's using the pressure from the water in the tubes. It's so amazing. It's really amazing.
So if you match the Yankopona Mao Adina or your tech power technology. How about the excavator? Battery shema.
Oh, that battery.
Wires woman.
That
Cable woman. Battery name.
that
Wire behind him. Cable behind him. Sensor behind him.
that.
But all your jima.
Tubes. Tubes in.
Oh, you use tubes.
Yeah. Pressure in issue. And the pulling, pushy pulling on my it working.
You made a functioning excavator with insu. So wait, hey abade.
And when GS I'm operating on it.
Inti adeno need gears ni. To move wahade ya no oye juma wahade. Please bring me sand. Amazing. Guys, it worked. Awesome.
And what I would say to these people, anybody, I know everybody in this world has a talent. Whatever your talent is, just keep on moving with it.